From the piney woods of Kingwood, where the morning starts to bloom, at Trailwood Village, there's a space for every room. 1 to 3 bedrooms where the family comes to play. In the heart of Houston, we're gonna light the way.
Then we head down to Laredo, where the Texas sun stays bright. La Joya and Merida Vista, everything's just right. With huge savings on the rent, and the water trash is free. It's the comfort that you look for your whole family. Oh, it's more than just an address, it's where your heart can rest. At Corinthian Asset Management, we only give the best. From the Gulf Coast breeze to the Texas sky so wide, we're opening the doors to the life you feel inside. Welcome home, welcome home. Now we're moving to Biloxi, where the salt is in the air. Palm Island, Edgewater, you'll find a haven there. 5% for the military, because we value how you serve. Short-term leases, high-end living, the quality you deserve. Take a dip in the pool or hit the fitness center floor, with private Wi-Fi waiting right behind your door. 2 bedrooms or one, with a view that's always blue. Mississippi's finest is waiting here for you. Pet-friendly parks where the children run and swing. Granite countertops and the joy that comfort brings. Gated and secure with the courtesy on site. From the patio at sunset to the cozy rooms at night.